Oh! Hi, it's Tom from Mayor's. I'm so happy you're here. Today we are making Maple Bourbon Citrus-Glazed Salmon. Go ahead and try to say that 3 times. I'm not a salmon guy, but this I love. So if you want an excellent dinner or you want to impress company, make this. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is season the salmon. I put a little olive oil on it and salt and some pepper and then some garlic powder. And we'll let this sit while we make the glaze, which consists of about a half a cup of soy sauce. I don't measure too much, but it's about a half a cup. About a teaspoon of the Grilling with Dad's Maple Bourbon rub that you can get at the store. So that goes in. About 3 tablespoons or so of rice vinegar. The zest of an orange and a lime and its juice. And roughly about a half a cup of honey. Thereabouts. About a teaspoon of chili crunch and a teaspoon of ginger paste. And I also put in, and you don't have to, but I also put in, about that much bourbon. It kind of intensifies the bourbon flavor. And then we're going to bring it to a simmer and just let it simmer while the fish is cooking for the first 15 minutes. Okay, here we are at the green egg. It's at 400 degrees, exactly where we want it. If you have a green egg or you're in the learning process, my top vent is open about a half an inch and the bottom vent is open about an inch, and it's perfect. So here we go. Always burp. Open, and we're going to put the fish on. What we do, I cook it on oranges and limes. It adds flavor and moisture. There we go. 1 fish, 2 fish. There we go. And then we're going to add a little bit more of the Grilling with Dad Maple Bourbon rub. And before we close the grill, we will add our asparagus. Then that will roast as we cook. There we go. It will take about 20 minutes. However, in about 15 minutes, we're going to open it and apply the glaze. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. We're looking at hopefully about 120, 125, 123, 122. Okay, perfect. So now it is time to apply the glaze. Give it a stir. A nice coating. And we're going to let this cook for about 5 more minutes. until it is approximately 130 degrees. There we go. All right, we'll let her go for about 5 more minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I know we're ready, but let's have a look. Yep, 130, and we're ready. And we're gonna put just a light coating of glaze on one more time. And then we are ready to go. And I guarantee you, you will love this. I know I will be in about 5 minutes. I gotta tell you, the oranges and the lime infused with this glaze is just amazing. I love it. Oh yeah. It's like seriously good. I love this stuff.